Why manufacturing matters to me. I enjoy working with my hands. A lot of things that I have done in the past were building automated machines and assembling. And as I did that, then I kind of liked the way the parts were made, so I started machining the parts. And as I machined them and assembled them, I got involved in the electrical components and the electrical parts of how to put them together. And so then I moved into the electrical phase of a lot of the automation. And as I processed that, I started to become more knowledgeable. And as I got more knowledgeable, I moved up the ladder a little bit. And now I'm at Obsidian Manufacturing, and I'm doing a lot of the electrical and the machining parts of things. And I've also became the foreman at Obsidian Manufacturing. And it's quite challenging, but I enjoy it very well.